Good morning. Beautiful spring day here today. I thought I'd read another series of bird poems. I wrote this poem yesterday on a walk downtown, so these are the the city dwellers. uh, uh, the top finger of Bud Bay is about a half a mile down the hill here, so it's the first water that I run into on this walk. And then there are a couple of big plazas at the Clean Water Center and the Hands-on Children's Museum with these beautiful inlaid mosaics with quotes about water and big water features, streams and wetlands. So it's quite a nice habitat for birds in and of itself, this man-made arena. And then about a quarter mile past that is the main part of Bud Bay. It's the dating and mating season for birds here and everywhere, I'm sure. And this is a poem mostly about that. It's called Water. It's got an epigraph. The earth's eye, looking into which the beholder measures the depth of his nature. That's from Henry David Thoreau, and it's in one of those little inscribed mosaics that I walk over at the Clean Water Center. Number 1. A lone bufflehead bobs on ripples in the middle of Bud Bay. Her partner jets instanter out of nowhere. Kaleidoscopic whirls of blacks and whites on the wing, glides in sidewise, sidles over beside her, then together they dive down deep underwater. I want to think they seek dark to nuzzle and kiss secretly out of my sight. But 30 seconds later they bob up 40 feet apart, paddle fast back together, then do it all again. Down and up, down and up, down and up, over and over. Together, apart, together, apart, together, apart, over and over. I watch, long as I want, then walk on, wishing I were... Number 2. I hear the piercing beeps first, then spot that jet black redwing perched in a white birch above a reed pool in the middle of the plaza, mottled mate waiting 5 feet from a mosaic of the quote above about depths measured. This one no more than a foot deep, about the size of my house, but ideal it seems for these marsh and meadow lovers to make a living and a life. On the wing, that splash of red centers Earth's eye, and every redwing I ever saw as a boy, summer long, by the lake, flies by in my mind's eye, just to say hi. Number 3. One pigeon rests breast deep, iridescent, in a small pool, so peaceful. I try to walk by quietly, but look too closely, and it flies off. I will regret that rude intrusion the rest of the day. Number 4. 2 randy gulls flap around on the arm of a tall pole, squealing, one failing to mount. Both fly off in pursuit of one another. The plight of all lovers in flight, at least for a while, in early spring. Thanks. The downtown birds, water. See you soon.